Hi, this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. Here I'm again with another cellular phone. This time I have one of the best phone or the best phone at the moment in the world. This is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I've been using iPhone 16 Pro Max for a couple of months, so let's try Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and already have S23 Ultra here. So let's see this phone. Beautiful, very slim pack. You can see this is a similar S24, 23. Behind you have more information. Lovely box, nothing fancy, very simple box though, I would like to say that. So without any further ado, let me unpack this one. Here we go. Okay, here we have something, a box, lovely. With before you had some cover inside this one for this, so this time we don't have anything. Let's go, let's see what we have. Lovely to have a SIM clip and data cable. Samsung has been supplying this data cable for many years. This is C port, fast charging, nothing fancy here. And more paperwork. If you have time, you can read this. And wow, look at this, guys, isn't beautiful? Wow, this has 208 megapixel of cameras here, 5 set of camera. As previous version, you can see here similar but more advanced camera, more faster for sure. Some tag here. So let me take this off. Similar as iPhone 16 Pro Max, desert gold, very close this color. Let me take this off from here. Wow, I feel a weight. This is more fat than 23 Ultra. You see, this is a flat design. This is, and the round are not good so much for the skin protector, but this look magnificent. Look something as an iPhone here. Wow, beautiful back. Wow, this side you see, I think is a titanium body, same as iPhone 16 Pro Max. At the top you have 2 holes. You have one antenna line, only one in this case. Here also had one antenna line, so nothing changes. This side too, another antenna line. Here you see some flat hole instead of grill. In the past we had grill holes. You can see now you have one flat hole, and you have a styler, S Pen there usually, and most important is still we have SIM tray here in Europe. Wow, beautiful phone. Display 6.9 inches, lovely. As previous, we have volume rocker button up and down. You have power button. In this case you can see antenna line both side. Let me take this off from here, this protection. Wow, wow, beautiful display, flat, lovely, magnificent display. So without any further ado, let me hit the power button. See, Samsung is written Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox, as all the Samsung phone. Wow, beautiful color, lovely. The changes a bit, looks as more as iPhone now, lovely. Okay guys, so this is unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. In next video I'm gonna do a review and many other video with different specs and application. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care, till then, boy.